Welcome back to Insightof channel. In today's video, we're doing something a little different. Not just an overview, not just a list of requirements, but a real case, from start to finish. You'll see what it actually looks like to register a medical device in Indonesia with the lens of a real client, a Korean manufacturer of a portable ultrasound device. What went right, what went wrong, and most importantly, how we help to get the job done. Let's dive in. They came to Insightof looking not just for document help, but for local insights, full compliance, and a smoother path into the Indonesian market. The first thing we always do is audit the documents, and more often than not, even mysterious manufacturer have blind spots. In this case, we found 3 common issues, but it's critical. The first one is the certificate of free sale. It listed the product as US 3000 Pro, but the label and manual showed US 3000 Pro B. One letter off and the whole document submission can be rejected. First, the certificate of free sale. It listed the product as US 3000 Pro, but the label and manual showed US 3000 Pro B. One letter off and the whole submission can be rejected. The second one is the client submitted an EMC test report, which is IEC 60601-1. For electromedical equipment, this is a non-negotiable. The third one is their authorization letter didn't include a signer's ID or company stamp. In Indonesia, both are mandatory, even the company is already certified elsewhere. The third one is their authorization letter didn't include a signer's ID or company stamp. In Indonesia, both are mandatory, even if the company is already certified elsewhere. We sent clear checklists, templates, and follow-up in details. Within 5 working days, everything was corrected, and we were ready to move into submission. Formatting is often underestimated. Indonesian reviewers expect a very specific structure. If the file name is wrong, or if the documents are out of order, rejection is very likely. We reformat every document, translated the technical descriptions where needed, and uploaded through the Ministry of Health system. For Class 2C devices like this, the average time is 4 to 6 weeks. 7 days after submission, we get the expected clarifications. The Ministry requested about probe sterilization methods and the operating temperature range of the device. These questions are roadblocks, but they do need fast and accurate answers. We responded in less than 48 hours, attaching excerpts from the user manual, ISO references, and a translated declaration. With the verification answer, the process continued smoothly. 32 working days from the submission date, the AKL license was issued. The product was approved for legal sales in Indonesia. That's what we aim for. Clean documentation, fast clarification, and no guesswork. When you plan it right, the system works. The client shared their feedback. The process was fast, clear, and better than what we expected. They have since sent new 2 devices, a Vital monitor and a Doppler scanner, for full registration under our guidance. That's our goal. Not just project success, but a long-term partnership that grows with every product. We're not here just to fill in the blanks. We guide, we explain, we manage, and we finish. Our service includes full document audit and repair, format and submission to Ministry of Health system, clarification response handling, and tailored post-license guidance. We know what the ministry expects, and we know how to prepare you and how to help you stay compliant, not just to get an approval. Thank you for watching this episode of Insightof Case File. If you're planning to register a medical device in Indonesia, don't do it alone. Let's talk. We'll help you launch your product faster, smoother, with full peace of mind. I'm Angga, and this is Insightof, where compliance turns into confidence. See you next episode.